Hey guys, what's going on? So today is Monday and it is currently 6:57 in the morning. So I'm gonna get my day started and I'm gonna take you guys with me. I believe I only had 2 clients today, so I don't really have a busy day inside of the salon, but I do want to get some things done there. I do want to clean up and organize. I have to refill some of the snacks that are at the space. And I also want to create some flyers and price lists and also a form with some specials coming up. So I'm going to show you guys how I design the flyers for the studio, and I'm just going to take you guys with me. I also have to run to the beauty supply store and I need to pick up some combs. I need to pick up some brushes and a couple other things. So I'm going to take you guys with me. So I have to get the kids ready. I'm going to cook them breakfast, maybe some pancakes and eggs. And then I'm going to get them ready and then I'm going to drop them off because my first appointment comes in at 8:30. Hubby leaves early. He leaves around 6:30 to go to work. So during the week, I am pretty much by myself in the morning, getting the kids situated. So moms, I know you guys understand where I'm coming from. It'd be a lot in the morning. So I like to try and get up a little early so I can kind of get my day started. Yeah, so I got about an hour and a half to kind of, get myself together. Okay, so I just finished my 8:30 appointment and I totally forgot that I left my iPad at home, and I was going to run home really quickly and grab my iPad so I could do some marketing materials. But my next client said that she can actually come in early, which is amazing. I love when my clients can come in early. That means I'm not going to be here late. So my last client, my second appointment, is about to come in, and I'll just do my other stuff later on so that I can get out of here a little earlier. So I'm just waiting now for my client to come in. She should be here within the next 5 minutes. So I am going to do her really quick and I will be back. When we get high, in my breakdown, when we're just watching from the same town, but that don't change when I break down. And we were talking at the same time. No, it don't have just finished my last client for today, and it's about 1:30. So I'm gonna leave here. Well, before I leave here, I gotta clean up. Like this shop, oh, it probably doesn't seem like it. You probably can't pick it up from the camera, but it needs to be cleaned. So I'll probably do some cleaning before I leave, and then whenever I leave here, I'm gonna go to the grocery store, try and get dinner started to some capacity. And then while I'm cooking dinner and waiting for everything to get done, I'm gonna do my flyers, price list, and specials coming up for this month. I love to use Canva to design all of my marketing materials. For the most part, I do everything myself, but if it's something that I really wanna get like a really nice, like, you know, I'll have somebody else do it for me. But for the most part, I do all of my marketing materials. I'm also gonna edit this video so I can upload it for you guys, but that pretty much sums up my day.
Is you ready? Is you ready, baby? Good. Loving. Good. Loving. Good. Good. Shawty curious, get serious, good, loving yourself. Hey, shawty's what I'm here for. Good, oh, loving yourself, grab me till I'm got to come good, loving yourself, grab me till I'm got to come
All right, y'all. So I cannot believe how bad my day got away from me. It is now 9 o'clock at night, and I cannot believe where the time has gone. That's typically how my day goes once I leave the studio, because it just be so hectic over here. So after I finished cleaning the salon studio space, it took me about maybe an hour and a half to finish cleaning up. But after I finished that, I went to the grocery store, cooked dinner, and then I was a soccer mom. I took my son to football practice. My daughter had to go to tumbling practice, and I'm just now getting back in the house. So I didn't get a chance to do the flyers and stuff like that, the marketing materials. So I'm going to do another video showing you guys how I do my flyers and things like that. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do another vlog tomorrow. We'll see. But I'm going to wrap this vlog up. I am exhausted. I'm about to take me a nice hot shower and just chill, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next video. All right. Deuces.